Non-renewable energy refers to energy resources formed over millions of years from ancient biological remains and geological processes which cannot be replenished on a human timescale. These include fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, and nuclear minerals. Their formation began during the Carboniferous period around 275 to 350 million years ago, making them finite but energy dense resources. Non-renewable energy sources originate from ancient organic matter or radioactive minerals and provide large scale energy but exist in limited quantities. The major resources include coal. Coal is a carbon-rich sedimentary rock formed from plant remains in swamps about 300 million years ago under heat and pressure. It exists in three types: ignite, bituminous, and anthracite, with increasing carbon content and energy output. Petroleum crude oil. Petroleum is a thick liquid made of hydrocarbons from marine organisms buried under sediments for millions of years. It is refined into products like gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and petrochemicals used in plastics and medicines. Natural gas. Natural gas mainly contains methane 50 to 90% along with ethane, propane, and butane. It forms similarly to petroleum but results in more volatile hydrocarbons and is widely used as a cleaner burning fossil fuel. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is derived from radioactive minerals like uranium 235 and plutonium 239. Through nuclear fission, it releases enormous energy by splitting atomic nuclei and is used in controlled reactors to generate electricity. Non-renewable energy significance. Non-renewable energy plays a central role in global development by providing reliable, high-density energy essential for industries and infrastructure growth. High energy density. Fossil fuels like anthracite, coal, and petroleum contain high carbon content, producing large amounts of heat energy, making them efficient for electricity generation and industrial use. Industrial application. Petroleum derivatives such as naphtha and diesel support transport, manufacturing, and chemical industries, forming the base for products like plastics, fertilizers, and synthetic fibers. Power supply. Unlike intermittent renewable sources, coal-based thermal plants and nuclear reactors provide stable and continuous electricity supply, supporting base load power demands. Wide availability of coal. Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel globally and is mined through surface and underground methods, making it a major contributor to global electricity production. Technological application. Natural gas is used to produce carbon black, essential for tire manufacturing, while nuclear energy supports large-scale electricity generation using controlled chain reactions. Non-renewable energy challenges. Despite their importance, non-renewable energy sources pose significant environmental, economic, and safety challenges due to extraction, use, and limited availability. Resource exhaustion and overexploitation. Rapid industrial use is depleting reserves quickly, creating long-term energy security concerns and increasing dependency on limited remaining deposits. Environmental pollution. Burning coal releases sulfur dioxide and other pollutants, making thermal power plants a major source of air pollution and contributing to environmental degradation. Mining impacts. Surface mining destroys vegetation, alters landscapes, and leads to soil erosion and water pollution, while underground mining may cause land subsidence and fires due to coal-based methane. Water contamination. Extraction process often releases brine where 1 barrel of oil can produce up to 10 barrels of salt water, potentially contaminating freshwater aquifers if not managed properly. Climate change contribution. Methane leakage from natural gas, a potent greenhouse gas, contributes significantly to global warming, increasing atmospheric temperature and climate instability. Nuclear risk. Nuclear energy faces issues like radioactive waste disposal, long-term environmental contamination, high cost, and risk of accident due to human or technical errors. Non-renewable energy government initiatives. Government implement policies to regulate extraction, improve efficiency, and reduce dependency while ensuring sustainable use of non-renewable energy resources. Hydrocarbon exploration and licensing policy. Introduced in 2016, this policy promotes domestic oil and gas production through open acreage licensing, revenue sharing models, and marketing freedom to attract investment and technology. National Mineral Policy 2019. This policy focuses on sustainable mining practices, transparent allocation of mineral resources and reducing import dependency while ensuring environmental protection and stakeholder participation. Biofuel Promotion Policy 2018 aims to reduce crude oil dependency by targeting 20% ethanol blending in petrol and 5% biodiesel blending, along with promoting advanced biofuels and alternative raw materials. Energy efficiency measures policies encourage replacing old appliances with energy efficient models, conducting energy audits, and adopting improved industrial processes to reduce excessive fossil fuel consumption. Transition support strategies. Government initiatives also promote gradual shift to alternative energy sources, better transport system, and reduce subsidies on polluting fuels to balance energy security and environmental concerns.